Hi everyone, I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and today is Sunday night at the 13th at around 9:15. Now, no CME challenge this week, which is a good thing, but it was fun. It was fun. And if you haven't registered at the CME, you might want to. Great educational resources, and you might want to enter the next challenge, and/or if you're following anybody, invite them. If they blow it off, I'd be a little suspect on that because everyone's going to play the same rules. They have a very good site. It's very well thought out. There's no, funny business being played out. And now folks do play a little bit maybe more aggressively than they might, but still in a proportionality basis and a competition basis, I think it's a pretty fair competition. And my hat's off to the people that won. What I wanted to share is we got a number of questions about our overall performance, and I want to show you our trade log. We did finish 8 out of 1,612 participants. It was fine. This is our equity curve. We started off really well on Sunday night. We had a bit of a drawdown, tried to play it a lot slower. We didn't do a lot of trading. And at this point, then we had to shorten up the curve and really get to work. And we worked it really, really hard. We did get to about $60,000 at 5 a.m. on the last day. It was going to end at 1 o'clock. And then Baggy just ran out of gas a little bit, and we finished number 8. Now, the trade log, I want to show you this. CME kept track of all of our trades, and I'm going to scroll down if you want to go through and take a look at each of the trades. We traded. Now, they kept track. They cut off the competition at 1 o'clock, but they kept track of our account until the close of business on Friday. And so we actually had some additional positions that got closed out, and they counted as trades. Now, I'm not taking anything away from the others, don't get me wrong, because they probably would have had higher winnings themselves. But that's our trade log. And so the number of trades jumped from about 51, I think, to a total as they took out our closed out our positions because we had a number of positions on. But the very end, all said and done, for what they tracked us, we actually had the contest gone until 4:15 on Friday. We actually would have closed out with $56,228. Again, the winners probably would have had a little bit more. So even if they hadn't, we still, the best we would have done was fourth. We had a total of 83 trades. 83 trades. We had a win-loss ratio, which really isn't that important to us, but we had a pretty good win-loss ratio of 65% winners to 35% losers. Our average winning trade was $1,210 to our average losing trade of just $313. So that's really, what propelled us into the top, half percent, the 99.5 percentile of the 1,600 traders. Our profits were outpacing our losers on a per trade basis of 4 to 3, and our win-loss ratio is 65% to 35%. The total profit factor when it was all said and done was 65,000 divided by a total loss of 9,078. It actually gave us a profit factor of about 7.20. I think I reported it earlier around 18. That may have been a little bit high. I didn't realize that the trade log was being carried all the way through to 4 o'clock. So that is the net of our performance. The takeaway for us, I just want everyone to know we're not sharing this from a standpoint of, hey, look at me, look what we did. We are proud of what we accomplished, but we could not have done what we did without the TradeStation platform, number one, and all of their tools, and then number two, with our proprietary indicated strategies, and of course, the swing machine. So we hope it serves as inspiration to all of you to say, hey, that dummy, that guy can do it. I can do it too. And the truth of the matter is, you can. And if you need a place, if you're a greenhorn and you need a place to come, and maybe you're not even a greenhorn, and you're not getting that kind of performance, and you want to know what we're about and what we're doing, feel free to check out our website and at stockmarketcaddy.com. You're also welcome to give me a call at 813-758-8263. And I'll end with this: whether you're a new trader or an old dog, if you're not keeping a trading log and you're not going in and calculating, yes, it's not that important, your win-loss ratio, but you're not calculating the internal metrics of your average winners, your average losses, your profit factors, and if you don't know what that is, then it's impossible for you to really improve. Because the reality of it is, you really don't know what aspect of your game, of your trading, is helping you or hurting you. So, keep track, keep score, look at those internals. A professional golfer, a guy who takes his golf game serious, knows how many fairways he's hitting in regulation, how many greens is he hitting, how many up and downs, what his average 9 iron is, what his average 5 iron is. You need to know those metrics internally as well. So good luck, everybody. Check in anytime, and have a great week.